Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about temporary tables in SQL Server. So this is the third video in temporary table video series. So please try to watch my previous videos if you did not watch so far, so that you will get more understanding what I am talking in today's video. Okay, let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There you can understand the demo. So for time being, I have prepared script. Okay, so in this video we are mainly focusing on, so in last video we have spoken about temper tables are getting cached, but in this video we're going to talk about if you don't want caching the temporary tables, what are the ways we can do that. We're going to see in this video. Okay, let's try to understand one by one. So I have procedure. So what are the procedure I have used in last video? Same procedure I'm trying to execute in this video also. So first of all, I'm trying to create the procedure. Let me create first procedure. I think it's already procedure available. I'm trying to drop and recreate one more time. So I'm dropping the procedure. Okay, procedure has been successfully dropped. Now I'll try to create this procedure. So basically what I'm doing here is, first I'm checking if the object is already available or not. If it is already available, then I'm telling drop the table. Okay, so I'm creating the temporary table. So after definition of the temporary table, I'm creating one unique clustered index on employee ID column. Okay, I'm creating one unique clustered index after the definition of the temp tables. Okay, and after that I'm trying to insert some data from the employee table. So I will execute this table. We will see what data it contains. Now you can see around 290 rows of data and 7 columns available for this table. So same data I'm trying to insert this temp table. So finally I'm fetching the temporary table only. Let's try to execute this procedure first. So procedure completed successfully. Okay, now this time we'll try to check the what is the temp table creation rate. It's 47. Okay, now I will try to run this procedure and we'll see 290 rows and 7 columns. We are not filtering any data and we are not passing any input parameters. That is the reason we are able to get a total amount of data. And also you can enable the actual execution plan. Just click on that and try to. So after executing this procedure, and let me check what is the temp table creation rate. Now it's 48. Okay, and I will try to run one more time. Again 290 rows of data, and we'll go to what is the, it's a clustered index scan because we are fetching entire data. So actual number of rows is 290 and estimated number of rows also 290. Even if we place the mouse over here, degree of parallelism 1 because it is sequential plan, and estimated number of estimated subtree cost is 0.005085, and also can place the mouse over here. So what is the physical? Here you can see a lot of options like IO cost, CPU cost, subtree cost, how many number of times it has been executed, and even you can go to the properties. You can see list of options. We can understand each and everything, right? Okay, now we'll try to verify one more time. It's 49. Earlier it's a 48, but this time again I ran the procedure 49. So in the time I'll try to run one more time. Now 50 it has to come. 50. I'll try to run more time. 51. Now you can see, right, 51. Why this temp tables again creating, it's not caching? Because after the definition of the temp table, I'm trying to create a one unique clustered index on the temporary tables. So that is the reason we are getting a temp tables not getting cached. Okay, in that case I'll try to alter the procedure, and also I will try to comment the index statement, comment it, and I will try to run this procedure one more time, execute it, and first we'll check what is the temp table creation rate, 51. So we'll try to run one more time, 51 and what, 52. Okay, now it has been created. Now let's try to execute 52, 52. See, now you can see, right, 52 only, it's not number not getting increased, 52 only, right, because we have commented the this index statement. So it's not now, this time it's getting caching the temporary tables. Okay, there is another way also. If we don't want caching, we can do that. That is global temporary tables. So we are going to see that is also. Now this time I'm dropping the procedure. I will try to recreate it. Drop procedure, temp procedure, try to execute it. So procedure complete successfully, it's successfully dropped. Now I'll try to recreate from scratch. So in this, what I'm doing here, I'm just creating a global temporary table. Within the global temporary table, I'm just trying to fetching this data and inserting into this temporary table. I'm not doing anything else. And finally I'm fetching the global temporary table. Let's try to execute it. Okay, process has been completed successfully. Now let's try to check what is the temp table creation rate, 52 only. Now I'll try to run 380 times, 52 and 290 rows and 53, right, 52, 53. I'll try to run multiple times, 53 and 54, 54, 55, 56, 57. So you are able to see, right, the number getting increased. Even you can go to the execution plan, you will understand. I'll try to run 180 time. So now we got 290 rows of data. Try to see the execution plan. Now it's a clustered index scan, because while creating the global temporary table, we have specified it's a primary key column. So that is the reason we are able to see the object as a index, and the cost is 100%. Cardinal estimation is 290, actual is 290, and estimated also 290. Even if you want to go to the properties, we can see here also. Now go to the select operator, you can see degree of parallelism on non-subtractive cost. If you want properties, go to this. What is the memory grant info, travel and optimization and CP compile them, all the options we can see. Now even if we don't want temp table creation rate, we can replace the local temporary table, install global temporary table. That way we can control the temp table creation rate from the caching. Now I will try to execute one more time, 290. This time what is the temp table creation rate, 60, 60, 61, next time 62, 63. Like the temp tables are getting created every time when I execute the procedure. If we use global temporary tables, or the definition of the, after creation of definition, if we use any index creation like a cluster index, unique index, and all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching. So please stay tuned for other videos also. Thank you.